Teamgate versus Ontraport. Which is best for marketing automation? Let's break it down. You're likely trying to figure out which of these tools works best for automating your marketing efforts, but the real question is, which one will save you time and deliver results? In this comparison, I'm going to help you make that decision, but stick around till the end because I'll be revealing what I think is the best overall option. Let's start with Teamgate. Teamgate is a CRM-focused tool that positions itself as an all-in-one solution for managing leads and sales pipelines. It offers email marketing, automated workflows, and analytics. However, it's not exactly designed for complex marketing automation like some competitors. The automations are somewhat limited, especially when it comes to email sequences and lead nurturing. You can do the basics, trigger emails and assign tasks, but the deeper level of customization you may need for more sophisticated marketing strategies might leave you frustrated. Next, let's talk about Ontraport. Ontraport takes a more comprehensive approach, offering advanced automation and segmentation. You can create multi-step campaigns, trigger actions based on user behavior, and even create landing pages within the platform. It's definitely a step up from Teamgate in terms of the depth of marketing automation. But there's a catch: its interface can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to marketing automation. It takes time to learn, and while Ontraport provides a lot of customization, it may feel like you're wading through layers of complexity to set up even the simplest campaigns. The third thing to consider is pricing. Teamgate offers more affordable options for small businesses and teams, especially if you're just starting out. However, for bigger businesses or those with more advanced needs, Ontraport might be worth the extra investment because of its robust feature set. But be warned, Ontraport's pricing structure can be a bit tricky to navigate and doesn't always reflect the value unless you're using it at full capacity. Another point is integrations. Teamgate has a solid selection of integrations with tools like Zapier, Google Analytics, and other CRMs, making it easier to connect with your existing stack. Ontraport does a great job here too, supporting everything from PayPal to Shopify, and it even integrates with apps like Facebook ads. If you need complex integrations with other tools, Ontraport has the edge, but it's still important to keep in mind that some of these integrations are locked behind more expensive plans. The fifth thing you should know is customer support. Teamgate support is pretty straightforward with email and live chat options, but it's not 24/7, so that can be a downside for some users. Ontraport, on the other hand, offers dedicated support with phone calls and email support, but you'll probably need to be on a higher tier plan to access this. The support is solid, but definitely has room for improvement in terms of response times. Now, let's talk about ease of use. This is where Teamgate really shines. It's incredibly intuitive and user-friendly, especially for small teams. Its straightforward dashboard makes it easy to jump in and start automating basic marketing tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Ontraport, on the other hand, requires a steeper learning curve, so be prepared for a bit of a challenge if you're just starting out. It's powerful, but it's not always the easiest to navigate. So, what's my take? Both tools have their pros and cons. Teamgate is great if you're a smaller team or business that needs a simple, easy-to-use CRM with some marketing automation capabilities. Ontraport is the better choice if you need a more powerful, complex solution with advanced automation options, but it comes at a price and with a steeper learning curve. However, after testing both of these, I'd recommend checking out an alternative that really focuses on giving you what you need for marketing automation, without the headaches of navigating these other platforms. If you want a better solution, check the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial that I personally think will work better for your goals. You'll get access to some amazing features and exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. Take advantage of that link, and I promise you'll see why it's the best option for marketing automation.